This one is a little bit more complex of a linear equation, but it's kind of hidden in all this fraction notation. So again, we're going to get rid of the fractions as much as possible and get it all on one line. We're going to use that same trick of multiplying both sides by the common denominator. And in this case, the common denominator between all of these fractions is going to be, well, the 2x minus 1, and the 4 is the other factor. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 4 and 2x minus 1. And multiply this side also by 4 times 2x minus 1. Alright, so I need to distribute this and write it out. So what happens when these two factors hit this fraction? Well, the 2x minus 1s are going to cancel, and then we're going to have 4 times the 5, so that's just going to leave us 20. Here the only thing that's going to cancel when we distribute it over to the second fraction is that common factor of 4. This one will be on top and this one would be on the bottom. So we still have this factor of 3, and we're going to have this factor of 2x minus 1. And so it's going to be a positive 3 times 2x minus 1 equals. On the other side, the 2x minus 1s are going to cancel, and then we're going to be left with 4 times 4, better known as 16. And then we're on a nice straight line, very linear. We need to get rid of the parentheses. So we're going to have to distribute positive 3 to the 2x and the negative 1. So that's going to be 20 plus 6x minus 3 is equal to 16. Now, anytime you remove parentheses, next step would be to combine like terms. So we're going to have 6x plus 17 is equal to 16. The next step would be to get everything away from the variable x, this term. Easiest one to take care of is the 17. We don't care about the 16. We're just going to be moving the 17. Additive inverse of 17 would be minus 17, or negative 17. And we're going to subtract 17 from both sides. So now we're down to 6x is equal to negative 1. And here I'm going to allow you to just remove the 6 in a natural way. Since 6 is multiplied to x, we're going to divide it, both sides. So that'll leave us with x being equal to a negative 1/6. Don't worry about fractional answers. It's possible. A lot of the times you were taught they always came out as whole number answers and it made you feel good. Don't worry about fractions. Fractions also come up in linear equations.